Buying machinery from overseas is easy, but getting it to run properly on your own is a real challenge. Our service starts long before shipping. In our factory, every line goes through endless rounds of testing. This ensures that all our factory preparation translates directly to their shop floor without any communication delays. That's why we flew to the US. We're heading straight to our client's shop to handle the setup ourselves. We see it all the time. Cheap options are tempting, but quality varies. Without on-site support, a small calibration error during assembly can freeze your production. That's why we offer a turnkey solution, covering machine selection, workflow design, assembly, and training. Once the power is on, we ensure every component works exactly as it should. Right now, this line is wrapping wooden frames with natural wood veneers. But we don't just leave after installation. To keep your production running, we connect you with reliable suppliers for glue, films, and materials. We aren't just selling hardware, we're transferring the skills to run it. On-site support matters more than a low price on paper. We fly thousands of miles to ensure your production is ready. Protect your investment with us. See you at the next time.